Hi. Are you ready to get down? Yeah. Did you have a good dinner? You're funny. Was your food so good? I love you, buddy.
I like him. You see the pumpkins, Mom? You see the pumpkin?
I do. We should have those for dessert, huh?
I like these.
You have to eat dinner first.
I'm not eating dinner.
Yeah, you didn't eat yet.
There's pizza in here.
No, those are cookies.
Can you open them, Mama?
Open what?
Can you open them?
Those are cookies. You have to eat dinner first.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. Thank you, Mama. No, thank you, Mama.
No, thank you.
No.
What's the matter with you?
I didn't have some.
Are you ready to get down? You ready to get down, buddy?
No.
Yeah, he's all done. Would you like to do it? Please don't mind.
Baby boy, you see a zebra? You see lion and lots of animals.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Baby boy.
Uh-oh.
Don't pull hair yuckies. I love you, Zephyr.
I love you.
What are you doing?
I'm putting out the candy.
I don't think so. You need to ask me first.
Okay.
Can you please ask me?
Okay.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. Please what?
Please.
You have to say, can I please have this candy? You didn't eat dinner yet. You're not a very good listener today. What's the matter, buddy? Hey. You want to get down? Whoop. I love you. Hey. Baby boy. I love you, Bubby. Bye-bye.